Okay, for this question, question 4, we're going to calculate the rebate amount considering the account ages 55 or older will receive their classification plus an additional 2% regardless of quarterly sales. So basically, anybody who is 55 years or older gets a 2%. 2% rebate. So how we're going to set up this formula, and also we also have to consider their quarterly sales and give them that 2% plus whatever is according to their quarterly sales. So we're going to first do equals if age, equals if age is greater than or equal to 55, then you get a 2% rebate. If it's false, they just get a 0. But we also have to add a VLOOKUP. Basically, we're going to look up quarterly sales. And our table array is this over here. Let's actually lock all of the, We're going to lock this table by pressing F4. And the column index number is 2 because that's our rebate column. So we should get 0%. We're going to grab this formula and we're going to drag this formula, and drag it down. Okay. And now the rebate amount is simply your quarterly sales times your rebate amount. So let's go down and drag that all the way down. Perfect. So now we have our information. What we're going to do here is that we're going to create a list. The list is already created, but the way you create it is by doing Alt-DL, selecting a list over here, and our source, which is our customers. Press OK. For now, we'll just select customer 3. And now we're also going to use VLOOKUP to find the custom gender, so customer gender. So what we're going to do is we're going to look up this value, which is customer number 3. This is our data table and column index number. So we're looking for gender, so this would be the second column. We check, is customer 3 a male? Yes, he is male. Perfect. I decided to go ahead and lock these values over here. And I find it easier to simply, we'll see if this makes sense, but to just copy this formula. Did I not lock this? Okay, didn't lock this, so we're gonna lock it. Paste the formula because all these questions are gonna be very similar. So what are we looking for now? We're looking for customer age. So what do we do here? We're looking for this customer in this table, but since we're looking for age, that's the third column. Simply Is he 44? Yes, he's 44. What are we doing here? We're going for quarterly sales. What column is that? Column 4. Rebate percentage. What column is that? Column 5. Customer rebate. Oops. What column is that? Column 6. So we're going to go up here to verify all this information. 547, 5%, and 109, 45. Yep, we're all good. So down here, what we're going to do now is calculate the total rebates for the female and male customers. Okay. I think what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use our count if formulas, our sum ifs, and we'll see how it makes sense. Oops. So number of formulas. And we're gonna do a lot of copy and pasting here as well. Count if our range. So we're looking for gender, females. Let's lock that. Equals female. That's the amount of females that we have over here. And let's do a similar thing. We're gonna do equals sum if. Let's go to the range. Quarterly sales. Lock that. I'm sorry, that's not what we're not gonna. We're gonna do that. We're gonna get our females, our gender. Lock that. Our criteria has to be female, and our sum range is going to be our quarterly sales. And we're going to lock that. Okay. Total rebate equals sum if. Lock it. Female. And this is where we're going for total rebates. Lock that as well. That's our total rebates. And now, since we've locked these formulas, all we have to do is paste them. Since we didn't lock our criteria, male, everything should have pasted correctly. So now all we have to do is sum these up, and we drag that down. Let's just Alt ESF for formulas. And let's verify that we got it right. Yes, everything is right. And that's how you do this one.